What if you could save 5 to 10 hours every single week using free AI tools? It sounds too good to be true, but it is entirely possible. In today's fast-paced world, AI is no longer a luxury. It's your secret weapon to working smarter, not harder. We have curated the absolute top 7 free AI tools that will transform your daily productivity starting today. Let us dive into the details. Tool number 1, ChatGPT. It's as your personal assistant for writing emails, brainstorming creative ideas, or summarizing long documents in seconds. Tool number 2, Canva AI. Designs stunning social media posts, professional presentations, and eye-catching thumbnails with just a few clicks. Tool number 3, Grammarly. More than just a spell checker, it enhances your writing quality and saves you hours of proofreading. Tool number 4, Notion AI. The ultimate workspace for note-taking, task management, and content planning, all organized in one place. Tool number 5, Perplexity AI. Think of it as a search engine on steroids, providing cited research and fact-finding at lightning speed. Tool number 6, InVideo AI. Turn your text prompts into complete videos instantly. It is perfect for content creators who need high-quality results fast. Tool number 7, Otter AI. Never take meeting notes again. Otter transcribes your conversations and generates summaries for students and professionals. Which of these AI tools will you try first? Start saving your time today and work smarter with AI. Your future self will thank you.